I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Outlook account is synced and that you know the trigger, sender, subject, or folder. Open Home, then Rules, and choose Manage Rules and Alerts to begin. Once done, pick New Rule and select a template closest to your goal. This saves time and avoids custom errors. Make sure to name the rule clearly. You'll use these initial choices to scope what messages the rule will inspect, which is essential before adding actions. Now you define the conditions that identify messages, specific senders, words in subject, size, or importance. Then select actions, move to folder, mark read, categorize, or delete, combine actions when needed. Once chosen, add exceptions to avoid catching newsletters or distribution lists you want to keep. Make sure to review the rule summary carefully. Small mistakes here cause missed mail. When the logic is right, proceed to the next step to apply and test the rule. Apply the rule to existing messages and enable it for future mail, then send sample emails to test how it behaves. You should check rule order in the list. Outlook processes top to bottom, so reorder if another rule preempts this one. Once satisfied, save and close. If things go wrong, edit conditions and exceptions, or enable rule logging to see matches. Make sure server-side versus client-only behavior is accounted for. This explains why some rules run only when Outlook is open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.